Wind advisory. Issued at Sunday 3:06 p.m. February 16, 2025. Issued by National Weather Service. Description. Wet. West winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour expected. Where portions of southern Connecticut, northeastern New Jersey, and southeastern New York. When until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. Impacts. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down, and a few power outages may result. Recommended action. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. Secure outdoor objects.